If you're planning to sell, give away, or just troubleshoot your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, here's how to do a proper factory reset. First, on the watch itself, swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings. Then, tap the little gear icon to get into settings. Scroll down, tap general, then tap reset. If you want to keep your data, there's an option to back it up. You can tap that before resetting. But if you're giving it away or starting fresh, you can skip the backup. Once you're ready, scroll down and tap reset again to confirm. The reset only takes a few seconds since the watch doesn't store much, and your Fit 3 will return to its original factory state. After that, you'll want to remove the Fit 3 from your phone too. Open the Samsung Wearable app, tap the menu icon, usually the three lines in the corner, and choose Remove Device. Check the box next to your Fit 3, then tap Remove All and confirm with Remove. You'll get a message saying there are no devices paired anymore. One extra tip. After resetting, restart both your phone and the Fit 3 before pairing it again if you plan to reuse it. This ensures all old settings are fully cleared and your watch is ready for a fresh start, whether for yourself or a new user. Also, keep in mind that resetting can help fix minor issues like app crashes, syncing problems, or unresponsive touchscreens. So it's a handy troubleshooting step even if you're keeping the watch.